Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 25th of February. All right, looking at yesterday's markets, the only data to be released was from the US. It was a GDP number coming in at 7%, pretty much on target. But look, the major talking point globally everywhere is the situation in Russia and Ukraine. Let me say a couple of words regarding the financial markets. At times of crisis, fear, panic, and all those types of things, unexpected events or something that is out of the ordinary, your fundamentals and your technicals tend to go a little bit out the window. So a lot of the charts that I've been showing, which are pretty much 90% technical and a slight amount of fundamentals behind them, they tend to not follow the probabilities that we are accustomed to. So under these particular conditions right now, for example, yesterday we saw gold spike to big highs and also come back down pretty much to the same levels where it started. This is evidence of buyers trying to move towards the safe havens commodities. Also, we saw the euro currency drop significantly throughout the session as fear starts to kick in throughout Europe. The Czech krona, many of these currencies are all being affected by what's happening over there. So at the moment the technicals don't seem to be following. So in today's chart of the day, what I've tried to do is I'm trying to stay away from a currency which is heavily affected with the situation, and still kind of behaving the way that I would expect it to. The only chart that I found that kind of fits that criteria is the Kiwi CAD at the moment. So it's the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar, so very separated, as far separated as I can get on a major from the current situation that's happening in Europe. Now, if we have a look at this particular chart, we seem to be on a downtrend. We are following a pattern where the market's reaching this level and kicking down. We are there again, and what we're looking for right now is to see if we can get some kind of reversal to confirm for us to become a seller on the Kiwi CAD. Now, this is the best chart that I've been able to find. Again, it's as I'm saying, at times of crisis, what tends to dominate the markets is fear, optimism, opportunism, should I say. So a lot of the movements are not based on the normal behavior. So just keep that in mind as we try and hope for a best outcome as quickly as possible, and we'll persevere and continue to see if we can continue to provide you with a decent chart of the day for the daily call. All right, so there you have it. This morning it is the Kiwi CAD on a daily time scale. What's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? We have one solitary bit of data coming out. It's from the US. It's a core PCE price index number that happens after midnight at 12:30, and that pretty much wraps up for the week, on a week which it's best not to speak too much about it, and hopefully we have a much better weeks in the weeks to come. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, you can follow me on Twitter, the chat effects for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a great trading day. Have a good weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.